Hi, I'm Dave Dement. I'm a product engineer for Advantech. I will be demonstrating the QNX technology based on PulseBow-based systems. Advantech, in partnership with QNX, are working together to build solutions for embedded systems, which include medical, automotive, and portable devices. This demonstration will be using the QNX FastBoot on a PulseBow-based SOM module. In this case, we'll be using the Advantech SOM-6760, which is based on PulseBow using the Atom processor. This is a two-board solution, and the SOM will plug into a standard carrier board. The only function of the carrier board is to bring out the IOs and connectors, as you can see here. For this demonstration, I'll show you the booting procedure for the 7670. This is from Power Up. As you can see, the graphics program that is running booted very quickly. I'll do a hardware reset to show the boot up speed again. Again, you can see that the boot up time is very quick, usually under 2 seconds. Again, I'll do the reset, hardware reset, and you can see the boot up time is very quick. What's displayed on the screen now is a GL-based graphics display. This demonstrates that the OS is completely booted. FastBoot is implemented by replacing the system BIOS, which includes the post and full system enumeration, which takes quite a long time, with the FastBoot image, which initializes the system and boots the OS very quickly. This is a real-time OS, though the kernel is very small, and that allows the system to boot very quickly through the FastBoot initialization and the implementation of loading the kernel. This can be implemented on any standard or custom PulseBow-based system. If you want more information, you can go to Advantech's website. Thank you.